Assalamualaikum dear students of class 6. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our third chapter, output devices. Our first topic is the monitor. So monitor is the most common and important output device. It is also called visual display unit. So the data which we can view on the screen of monitor is called soft copy. So basically there are two types of monitor. First is CRT monitor and second is LCD monitor. CRT monitor, CRT stands for cathode ray tube. CRT monitors are older types of monitor. They are curved and bulky, means heavyweight. The pictures are given below. Second is the LCD monitor. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. LCD monitors are mostly advanced, smaller and thinner than CRT monitors. They provide a flat image and do not flicker. Do not flicker means that the pictures do not move on the screen. They need less electric current and can display more colors. They are used in laptops and in desktop computers. The advantage of using LCDs is that they consume less energy and can work on batteries. The plasma screen. This screen is bright screen that can produce in large sizes up to 84 inches. They are used in televisions and are more expensive than CRTs and LCDs. The screen of monitor can be divided into small dots called pixels. So the more pixels used to make up an image, the higher the screen resolution is. Resolution can be high, medium or low. High resolution images are clearer than low resolution images. Next topic is the e-book reader. An e-book reader, e-book stands for electronic book. This is handheld device and book size device that display text and graphics. E-book readers are used to read newspaper, magazines and books. Most of the material is downloaded from the internet and we can read on it. One ebook reader can store material contained in several traditional books. A tablet computer can also be used to read ebooks. The data projector. Basically it is used for output device. So the output looks just as it would appear on a traditional monitor, but it is much larger than the monitor. Data projectors are used to give presentations in classrooms and offices. The advantage of such output devices is that the speaker can easily address to a large audience. High definition television, HDTV. HD high definition television applies microcomputer technology to the television. It is also called PC or TV. HDTV gives a clearer and more detailed widescreen picture than ordinary TV. With HDTV, it is possible to freeze video images to create high quality still images. The video and images can be edited, digitized and stored on the disk. Designers and artists use HDTV. The printer. A printer is an output device used to print text and images on paper or other media. Such output is called hard copy. Different types of printers are available. Selection depends on the application they will be used for. Their initial and running cost also play a major role in the final decision. The laser printer. It is also a printer who has a great speed. It is also called page printer because it prints a complete page at a time. Laser printer used by single user are called personal laser printers. They are inexpensive but can print only 4 to 6 pages in a minute. Shared laser printer are used in offices. They are expensive but can print more than 30 pages in a minute. Some laser printers are monochrome. Monochrome means that they print only one color. Some laser printers can be combined with a fax machine, a photocopier and scanner. Laser printers produce high quality output and work silently, means they have no noise. Some can even print on both sides of a sheet. They are also quite large and expensive. These are the pictures of laser printer. The thermal printer. It is a printer that uses heat to burn an image onto specially treated paper. Thermal printers are used at some POS, point of sale terminals. Some thermal printers can also produce high quality colored artwork and text also. The inkjet printer. An inkjet printer prints text and images by spraying ink of different colors at high speed. This speed is measured in pages per minute (ppm). Inkjet printers produce hard copies of images that have been created using digital cameras. They can be used wherever color and appearance are important. For example, in advertising. Line printers are inexpensive, reliable, light, and easy to operate. They are slow and do not produce as high quality as the laser printer. Some types of printers are not used nowadays. Dot matrix printer. A dot matrix printer prints characters and images using a series of small pins on a print head. The paper is positioned on the other side of an ink coated ribbon. As the print head strikes the ribbon, it leaves an inked impression of the character on the paper. The dot matrix printer is inexpensive and reliable, but it is noisy and produces poor quality output. It prints on a reel of paper and is used at point of sale terminals for printing receipts. It is also called a character printer because it prints one character at a time. Other printers no longer used are the daisy wheel printer, drum printer, and chain printer. The daisy wheel printer is also a character printer. The drum printer and chain printer are called line printers because they print one complete line at a time. So these printers have low speed. The plotter. It is also a kind of printer that produces high quality output using pens. Plotters create large multicolored documents like maps and engineering drawings. Speaker. A speaker transmits output in the form of sound, while a sound card installed on a computer that produces high quality sound for music and games and movies, etc. A recent development in sound output is speech synthesis. A speech synthesizer can produce an artificial human voice that is used in robots. It can be used to read documents to visually impaired people. It can be used to teach a child to spell through educational games. It can also issue spoken warning. Some cars are voiced warning to warn passengers who have not fastened their seat belts. Some devices combine input and output devices to save time. Facsimile transmission, the fax machine. A fax machine sends and receives messages over telephone line. It uses regular telephone lines to send copies of documents which may include drawing as well as text. A fax machine or modem board connects the computer to telephone line. A document is inserted into the fax machine and the number of recipient is dialed. The machine scans the document and transmits it over the telephone line to a fax machine at the receiving end. Then the receiver of a fax machine prints the document or display it on the monitor. This is the picture of the fax machine. Internet telephone. Internet telephony uses the internet instead of telephone lines to connect two or more peoples. A microphone into which users can speak is used as an input device. A headset or speaker are used as an output device to hear sound transmitted over the internet telephony system. Multifunctional devices. This is our last topic. These devices combine the capabilities of scanner, fax machine, printer, and photocopier. These devices save spaces and are used in offices. However, the quality of output is poorer than that produced by separate single purpose devices. Thank you.